How well do you think you know your road signs? Let's put your knowledge to the test with these 40 must-know U.S. road signs. Let's dive in. Identify the road sign that prohibits entry to a restricted zone. Which traffic sign instructs drivers to yield to other vehicles? Identify the road sign that designates an upcoming school zone. Which traffic sign warns of a railroad crossing ahead? Identify the road sign that marks an authorized parking area. Which traffic sign warns drivers of a deer crossing in the area? Identify the road sign that indicates pedestrians may be crossing. Which traffic sign warns of an uneven road surface? Identify the road sign that alerts drivers to an upcoming crossroad. Which traffic sign warns of slow-moving farm vehicles? Identify the road sign that designates a truck route. Which traffic sign indicates that a divided highway begins? Identify the road sign that warns of a school speed limit ahead. Which traffic sign indicates the presence of equestrian riders in the area? Identify the road sign that warns drivers of a narrow bridge. Which traffic sign directs all vehicles one way to the right? Identify the road sign warning drivers of a reverse curve to the right. Which traffic sign instructs drivers to keep left? Identify the road sign alerting motorists to an upcoming flagger. Which traffic sign warns drivers of a reverse turn to the left? Identify the road sign that designates a handicapped area. Which traffic sign instructs drivers to keep right? Identify the road sign that indicates motorcycle plaque sign. Which traffic sign warns drivers of a truck height restriction? Identify the road sign instructing drivers to turn right ahead. Which traffic sign alerts motorists to emergency vehicles ahead? Identify the road sign that marks the national network route. Which traffic sign prohibits snowmobiles in the area? Identify the road sign that prohibits trucks on a particular road. Which traffic sign designates a passenger-only ferry terminal? Identify the road sign warning that the right lane ends. Merge left. Which traffic sign instructs drivers to turn left? Identify the road sign indicating that littering is prohibited. Which traffic sign indicates an added right lane ahead? Identify the road sign warning of a low ground clearance crossing. Which traffic sign designates available lodging services in the area? Identify the road sign directing motorists to gasoline services. Which traffic sign warns of bear crossing in the vicinity? Identify the sign marking an off-interstate business route. Which traffic sign warns of a side road joining at an obtuse angle to the right? Great work completing today's video. For more DMV road sign practice, videos, and test-focused study materials, subscribe now and turn on notification to stay up to date. Continue learning with the videos on your screen. Stay consistent, keep preparing, and we'll see you in the next session.